Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product SKU with link in order section in my account page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order section and we are going to display product SKU with link. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop and select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see product SKU, so this is our column name, so you can add column name according to your requirement. And then in code you see permalinks and then you see div class. If you want to add some styling, so you can use this class. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page and we are in order section. Now refresh the page and then you see new column added, product SKU, and this is our product SKU with link. Now you see, so open it. So this SKU open product link. Now product is open. Go to another product. Also you see product is open. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.